Okay, hi friends, good morning. Okay, today we will discuss weekly, weekly, which are the opportunities it has given in Nifty and also Sensex. Now, come to the Monday, which is on 13th April 2026. Okay, now we will open our indicator and we will mark high and low on 13th April on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, now 23,699.50 and 23,555.60. After clicking OK, it automatically drawn all the lines. Okay, if you see on Monday morning 9:15, it has opened in the gap down. From there it has given reversal. Okay, it has given reversal. Okay, in this situation, in this case, how will take trade? Okay, just we'll see how we will trade the trade. Okay, previously I told you couple of videos where we'll mark only 5 minutes high and low on intraday. Now we will go either 1 minute or 3 minutes time frame to take entry on intraday. Okay, just we will go on 3 minutes time frame on 13th of April. Okay, okay, see one confirmation here, it has opened in the gap down. After opening in the gap down, none of the candles not closed below this big first candle of 13th April. If you see here, second candle is first candle on the first candle only. Okay, okay, now from here what it has happened, it has taken reversal, and this is generally what I'll do here. I'll make it one box here, rectangle box, so that I'll get good idea here. Whenever I'll see this market now, automatically I can trade based on this box, because it's very clear actually. If you draw these boxes, no, it has very clear, okay, where I need to take entry, everything it has very clear actually, so that it's very easy to identify. Okay, see, I draw a small box here. Sorry friends. Okay, okay, if we click here, what will happen? 23,645, and if you see 23,611, 23,611, 23,645. Okay, simply we can extend this line. Okay, see now what it has happened here. One thing is, one confirmation is it has given back like gap down, and this candle, next candle, second candle is in between this first candle only, and again this is the confirmation for our taking entry in the intraday. After taking reversal, it has crossed these three lines. Once it has crossed these three lines, once it came to retracement, see here what happened, it has taken retracement, okay, just a second. If you see here, this is the, see, first confirmation is this and second confirmation is this one. This is the confirmation for bullish. We should not take entry immediately. It has to confirm first. Once this confirmation has given, then you can go ahead with entry. Okay, confirmation on bullish side, bullish trend. Okay, now it has given confirmation for this trend. Okay, not this exactly, this is the one exactly it has given for bullish. Now here, if you see here, once this is confirmation on bullish trend, now what will happen? We got trend, it's saying that bullish side. Okay, where we need to take entry? Since this is already opened in the gap down, it has came to the lower level and it's trying to go for bullish side. In this case, what will happen? We need to take entry on SL order. SL order, you know, right? What is SL order? Here, if you take in the money call 23,650 bullish entry, on SL order. Okay, bullish side on SL order. Okay, if you take bullish side on SL order here, okay, here we need to mark this is as a SL. Okay, this one as a SL for an intraday. We can keep as a stop loss. SL order. See here what happened, we can keep as a stop loss here. Okay, you have taken here as a big candle. See, based on this confirmation, we got a big candle on 3 minutes time frame. Then if you take SL order here, you can keep this is as a stop loss, this one as a stop loss. Otherwise you can keep this one as a stop loss, anything, it's fine. Because why this box has drawn here. Based on that, we will get a confirmation. It's easy to identify whether it is bullish side or bearish side. Okay friends, from here, if you keep a SL here, almost if you see from here 23,700 to almost 200 points, it has crossed this one. We can now, what will happen, this we can keep as a first target. This one we will keep as a first target. If you see in the previous videos, it has opened here. See, this black line above it has opened and taken retracement here. Then first target we have kept this one. Now first target we kept here. Why? Because here what happened, it came down. Market opening itself, it opened on bearish only. Okay, gap down only. From here it has taken reversal. Always remember, whenever it taken reversal trend, it will give very good money. From here, if you see this one as a first target, example, you have taken here 10 lots, you can sell it here 2 to 3 lots. That means 25% you can sell here, and another, this one we can keep as a second order, second target. This one you can keep as a second target. Here first target and second target. Now here 25% of your lots you have sold here. Again here 25% of your lot you can sold here, and this is the second target, and this one is the third target. See, this already previous videos I already told you, this is as a crucial, very crucial in the intraday, because this is as a third target. Because if you see, these two lines are very powerful. It's very powerful. Okay, these two lines are very powerful, and it has given 200 points. That means in option, if you see, almost you got 200 points, 200 plus points itself already you got. Okay, this is the entry for 13th. Okay, this is the entry for, okay, I'll make it here. This is entry for 13th April 2026. Okay friends, this is the 13th April. Now we will go to 14th April. Okay, from here it's very clear. No, you have any queries, please comment in the below so that I can explain you clearly. Okay, I'll clear your doubts itself if you post in the comments. Okay, then we'll come to the 14th. It's a holiday, NSE holiday, NSE and BSE holiday. Only crude oil second half it worked actually. Okay, come to the, see again, if you see in 15th gap up, 15 it's completely on gap up. Okay, completely on gap up. Okay, here again same, we'll go 5 minutes time frame. Just we'll go 5 minutes time frame and mark 24 to 80 as a high, and low 24,162.70. This is as a low. Okay, now since it's already gap up, and if you see here exactly it has taken support in this line only. If you see previously I told you in intraday this is the major support and this is the major resistance. Okay, sorry, this is the immediate support and this is also immediate support, and this is the major this is the major resistance, this is the major resistance on intraday, and this is the major support on intraday. Okay, see, if you see here exactly it has taken here only, exactly on this line only it has taken immediate support. Okay, we will see how we'll take entry here. Okay, one confirmation here, it already opened with the gap up with the big candle and it not sustained here, and it came down and it taken immediate support, and this is the trigger point and this is the validation line. Okay, now it has taken a reversal here with a big candle and it has retraced here and given very less points, and given how many points, if you see in the spot 200 to 270, 70 points only it has given. Okay, 70 points only it has given. After that, example, if you want to give entry here, okay, just a second. Okay, assume that you wanted to give an entry here, where you can give again on SL order. SL you can place on SL order. Entry with entry on SL order. Okay, now if you keep here as a SL order, you can keep this as a stop loss. This one as a stop loss. Okay, SL. See, either you can keep this one as a SL or this one as a SL. Up to you how your risk will be, how your capital and risk, based on your capital how much risk you are taking. Okay, this is a stop loss. Okay, friends. Okay, and what is the confirmation here? Daily we need to check a confirmation. This is the confirmation. Confirmation on bullish trend. Okay, see, even though it has given a bullish confirmation here and range, it's already intact. That means, see, if you see here, it's a big candle and it's came support here, and from here it's taking reversal. From here it's taken reversal. Reversal also it's not much because it's already increased. The range already increased here. we don't expect much in this case because already gap up, no, we don't much expectation here. If you see completely on sideways, it has given only 70-80 points in the spot, and after that it has given range bounds only completely. See, range bounds only completely on range bounds. Yeah, you can do scalping here. If you take example again, if you want to give entry, see, if you give an entry, this is not crossed, you can exit here. If this is not crossed, you can exit here. Points is very less, 20-25 points you got it, but you have to exit here. If you see in this scenario, it has moved. See, we can keep stop loss, and after that it has rallied here. But in this case, no much rally here. In this case, you have to exit here itself. Instead of waiting stop loss, you can exit with small profit only, with less profit only. Again, you want to do scalping, you can do scalping. Here you can take entry. See, once it's came down, again it's trying to go up, take entry here. Again you can keep this as a stop loss and wait for this one as a stop loss and wait for till here. Again you will get only 20 points. All put together only 40-45 points you can get here, not more than that, because there was no what you call no rally in this case, due to already gap up opened. Okay, see, in this case generally if market is in this case, we can call it as a range bounds here. Okay, till here you got only almost, if you see maximum you'll got only 50 points, 40 to 50. That is also fair enough. Okay, now come to the Thursday. Sixteenth of April. Okay, again we will mark high and low. Again here we will mark high and low of 5 minutes. 24,392.35 and again 24,333.95. Okay, and if you see here again gap up. See what has happened. 13th is gap down, 16th is gap up, but no rally. Here how we will expect rally, that I'll explain you here. Okay, $24,355. Sorry friends, 24,355. 24,373. Sorry friends, we will remove all the draws. Okay, 24,355. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. 24,373. so that you'll get very clear idea here. Okay, here just we will draw like this. $355. Okay, okay, now we will increase this, we will increase this size. Okay, like this. Okay, got it. Okay, now we'll go to the 3 minutes time frame. I already discussed with you, only for taking a high and low I'll go with 5 minutes time frame, and we'll go for buying and entry we will give either 1 minute or 3 minutes. And same day Sensex is expiry, and same day Sensex expiry, weekly expiry. Okay, no problem, we will see Sensex as well. Now if you see here, it's rejected, exactly it has rejected in the triggered line. Exactly it has rejected in the triggered line. Okay, no problem. Now one confirmation, today is gap up. Okay, and gap up we need to keep these points in the mind. One is gap up, and one more is it has taken consolidation here and it's rejected here. Exactly it has rejected in my lines. Okay, okay, now that is one confirmation. And one more thing, with the big candle or super candle, it came down. This is the confirmation for confirmation for bearish, BEARISH, confirmation for bearish. This is the confirmation for bearish. Okay, now once if you given for confirmation on bearish, we can give entry, not immediately. Generally entry it has to give on retracement only. Assume that I give an entry here. If I give an entry here, your stop loss, suppose market has taken a reversal, your stop loss will be very big. If your stop loss will be very big, then your capital will be vanish. It's going to vanish. That's why be patient, see how the market is moving. Based on the trend, take the entry. Okay, now it has to take retracement. After retracement we can give as a entry. Okay, okay friends. Okay, let's start. Let's see where we can give the entry and all. Okay, now see friends, whenever you're taking the entry in any of these, either index or stock options, in crude oil or natural gas or commodities like gold, silver, anywhere, if you're planning to take entry, after retracement only you can take the entry. Otherwise you can see very big losses. Okay, see here I can get good profit, but if in case it has given reversal, then all money will be vanished. Okay, okay, see here it has planning to take retrace, it has taken reversal, sorry, what you call retracement. Okay, now this is the entry, SL entry. Always, almost all times I'll give, see if you see almost 70-80% I'll give SL order only. SL, placing entry on SL order, and SL order. Friends, please, here if I see my I'm typing so many spelling mistakes, please don't mind. Okay, okay, I'll give SL entry here. Okay, SL entry here. Here once if I given SL entry here, you can keep this is as a stop loss, because on that day this one what you call Sensex is a expiry, we can give this is as a stop loss. Okay, after that you have see it has taken so much consolidation here. This is almost all very big consolidation, so much time. If you see 9 to almost 1 hour it has taken a consolidation. Okay, 1 hour it has taken consolidation, but that's why we need to keep here as a SL. Okay, from here to once this is SL got hit, we'll avoid the trade. This is one confirmation, and it has broke this line. Then after see, mind this is the first target, we can keep as a first target this one, second target, and this major resistance also broke. Then see, very big move, very big move, major resistance broke almost same day. In this day 250 points it has given opportunity to take entry. After that it has given almost 250 points, friends, 250 points it has given, and this is also broke, and see very big rally. And if you see again, this is I told you, this is the major support in intraday. It has came here, again it came down here, came down here, it has trying to push up and taken support here, again came down. We can call it as a retracement here, and it came down. This is one thing, friends. And one more thing, friends, here if you see after drawing this high and low, marking this high and low, this is very small, because remember always, whenever there is a small candle, comparatively last 2 days this candle is very small, you can see big trend, either bullish side or bearish side. Big move will happen. It will not take much range bounds. See, range bounds will happen if candle first candle on the day is big, then on that day we can see majorly 70 to 80% range bounds will be there. After long time, after 2-3 hours, it's going to break either bullish side or bearish side. This is how it happens. Okay, friends. Okay, I shown you last 1 week where are the which are the places, like which dates and all we got opportunity to take entry in Nifty. Okay friends, okay, I think 17th I already shared you in the previous video. Now we will discuss on Sensex. Okay, Sensex will discuss friends. Sensex also same date, 13th. Okay, we will see 13th. Sensex I'll not explain much friends, just I'll show you how, where and all is there opportunity to take entry, this and all I'll explain you. 76,339.30 and 75,868.32. This is on 13th. Okay, same as I explained you in Nifty, here also same, given one big candle here, and after that, see, first this is a gap down, generally we need to mark here this line, gap down, and automatically friends, give me a suggestion how we need to, because always I have a problem for this actually. Okay, always. Okay, we can keep like this. Okay, here see, this is a confirmation candle, and after that it has taken retracement here, it has broke and taken retracement and given good rally. If you see in Sensex, almost 76,200 to see 800 points it has given. 800 points. 800 points means very big amount. Okay. Okay. If you see here also same range bounds. Okay. I'll mark here high and low. I'll mark high and low. 78,270.42 and low is 77,193.11. Okay, this is the low on 15th April. Same here also range bounds. Here we can take entry. It has taken reversal from here. It see entry, then move. Only less points here. Sensex, it has given roughly around 50 points. Here it has given roughly around 150 points, like 100 to 150 points. Same. Okay, this is the day, expiry day actually. Okay, we'll see expiry day how it's worked. High and low. We will mark high of 5 minutes. 78,691.30 and 78,480.99. Okay. Oh, what happened? There was some, no, not this one. 78,661.30. Okay. Low is 480. Okay, see here. It will come to know any mistake it will happen or not, because these lines should be there inside only. Okay, see exactly here also same. It has trigger point has touched here and opened hammer candle. Trigger point has touched, and this is the confirmation. Then this is the entry point, SL order 78,400. If you take entry here, this one as a stop loss, this one this one as a stop loss. We can go for 3 minutes. Generally we'll go for 3 minutes only. 3 minutes for entry. This is the confirmation, this is the confirmation, then we'll take here retracement, then entry here, SL order. Then if you take here as a SL, sorry friends, it has given, see here consolidation, complete consolidation. After that, see 78,500 to almost it has came to 77,600. If you see more than 6 or 7x profits on same day, it has given very good amount. If you see other indicators and this indicator is very clear where we need to take entry. Just we need to keep example only 5 to 10% of mind. Okay, where we need to take entry and what is the first candle, either big size or small size. These points we need to keep. Otherwise, this indicator is perfect. If you see other indicators, they'll tell so many things. I have only one indicator, that only it works. That only giving very good amount, good money. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. If you have any queries, please type in the comments so that I can clear your doubts. And also please join into my Telegram group so that I can give daily entry exit levels, and I'll share you these details in morning itself around 9:20, 9:25 and 9:30. Between that I'll share you, so that it's very easy to take entry, so that you'll get a confident also where I need to take entry. This and all will give. In future I'll give live trading also, so that you'll get any ideas, like any doubts, everything I can clear you. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video. Thank you.